Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to a quick how-to video from the Weekend Gear Guide. Now, for those of you who wear prescription glasses or simply like wearing your sunglasses all the time due to bright light sensitivity and have purchased a reusable cloth mask like this one, some of which may come with the PM2.5 carbon replacement filters you can insert into the mask, then you most likely have come across the very annoying experience where your glasses keep fogging up no matter how much you adjust the metal nose bridge that's supposedly supposed to prevent glasses from fogging up. Now, you can't return the mask since it's been used, so how do you solve this problem? Well, one solution is to use a mask like this 3M N95 respirator, which offers the best seal possible to prevent foggy glasses. Unfortunately, these masks are not readily available in most places and are not reusable. However, there's a better and more practical solution readily available. Now, we all have seen many people use these disposable surgical masks, and these masks are much cheaper than the reusable cloth masks, yet do a much better job at preventing glasses from fogging up. And that's simply because these masks are meant to be used by doctors that perform surgery, and the nose bridge section has been designed in such a way to prevent glasses from fogging up in case the doctor performing the surgery needs to use prescription glasses, and it's critical that their glasses do not fog up while performing the surgery. So what's so special about the design that makes these cheap disposable masks so much better at preventing your glasses from fogging up? Well, when we cut both a reusable cloth mask and disposable mask open and take out the metal strip used for the nose bridge, you can see that the metal strip in the disposable mask is much more longer at about 4.25 inches versus the 2.75-inch metal strip in the reusable cloth mask. And the metal strip from the disposable mask is more thicker, which allows it to retain its shape around your nose and face more securely, thus preventing fog causing airstreams from leaking through the top of the mask. So all we do now is simply insert the longer and thicker metal strip from the disposable mask into the reusable cloth mask, and once centered, just put the mask on, adjust the nose bridge, and no more foggy glasses. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this how-to video, please leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button if you found this how-to video helpful and informative. Click on the subscribe button to get notified of any new reviews, and stay tuned for the next Weekend Gear Guide episode.